Hello everybody, this is Darryl at Hudson's Custom Machining, and I'm finally back with this last episode, or the last part of this series, where we've been working on this 1918 Emerson fan here, and we've got everything all back together. It's been sitting in this state for over a month. I've just been so busy. I've not been able to get back on this thing and get it all wrapped up and get this last video done. But I wanted to get this, shoot this last video to get it out there and get it finished, even though I've got a little work yet to do on it. This motor tag right here is not finished. I've got to spend some time on this. I've basically just cleaned it up a little bit, but you can see that the brass still needs to be polished. This is a brass tag, and so this tag is, still needs to be polished, but you can see from what little bit of cleaning I've done on it already that the black in the background is wearing very thin. And so what needs to happen here is I'll polish this whole tag out to bring out this brass and make it shiny again, while being careful not to take too much off of these letters here, that it removes this little bit of relief that's there. Because once this brass is all polished out, I'll have to go back and paint the whole tag. The whole tag will just be painted black. And then we go back and take the black paint off the tops of each of these letters here, and then we'll scrape the black off of these 4 or 5 fields here where the numbers are stamped in there. So it's a lot of work to do these tags, and I've just been putting off finishing this tag. But when the tag is done, it gets mounted to the motor up here. You see these 4 holes up here on top of the motor, and the tag will get mounted up there, and the fan will be finished. So anyway, that's where I'm at with it. I just wanted to make this last video here so we can go ahead and wrap up this series. I can't even remember what part we're on here, but anyway, the fan runs good. It's oscillating, it's nice and quiet, runs real smooth. And keep in mind, y'all, this is 102 years old, from 1918, made in USA, 100%. Thanks guys for following this video series. I appreciate y'all, appreciate the viewers, appreciate you guys subscribing to my YouTube videos. If you like this sort of thing, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And thank y'all for watching. Alright, y'all take care.